Hi everyone, and thank you for watching another Monty Miracle information video. Today we will be showing you an Indian stone patio, cleaned with our Monty Miracle Patio Cleaner. This first picture shows you a dark and dirty Indian stone area, and then the wow you after using Monty Miracle Patio Cleaner. Our cleaner is now a patented product. We have worked really hard over the last 6 years developing this fantastic cleaner. Not only does it clean Indian stone, it will clean nearly all outside hard surfaces, concrete, wood, render, stone, brick, decking, and many more. Our cleaner works by simply applying Monty Miracle to the surface to be cleaned, waiting 6 to 10 minutes, then simply rinse away the dirt. No need for pressure, no need for noise, so no damage, no mess, no hassle. This process will give you a brighter, deeper clean while at the same time sanitizing the area. This gives the cleaning process longevity. We have been selling our product to the public and also to the trade with fantastic results. We have great feedback from our customers. If you would like to buy your own Monty Miracle, please visit our website montymiracle.co.uk. Alternatively, if you would like to become a trade licensee, please visit the same website and leave your details and someone will get back to you with more information. As well as our example of dirty stained windowsills, and dirty Indian stone, let's try some really green Indian stone that's been neglected and in the shade from the sunshine for a number of years. Monty Miracle will work as well in this situation as well as any other cleaning conditions. Monty has been developed to remove most organic growth. This includes the removal of black spot. Some of the organic growth like white calcium deposits will still remain after cleaning, but the natural luster will shine through and look fantastic, and these white spots will disappear over time as the organism has been eliminated. This means the white spotting will break down and reduce over time. Regular yearly cleaning with Monty Miracle will keep your surfaces looking their best. Unlike jet washing, this process will get harder and harder over the years to clean, and all the damage and mess caused. Stick with using Monty Miracle, you won't look back. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you enjoyed watching.